This is our door out of chronic disease. You are literally tapping into a healing state that you never knew was there. It's insane. It's insane the miracles that your body will perform.
Dr. Mindy Pelz is a top expert in nutrition and known for her extensive research in fasting. She is the host of the Reset Factor podcast, has 1.1 million YouTube subscribers, and is a best-selling author of health and nutrition books such as The Reset Factor. Pelz focuses on how fasting can boost autophagy and overall health by repairing the body during fasting, while also strengthening your immune system against disease, viruses, and cancer. So, what can Mindy Pelz tell us about this important process called autophagy?
What's interesting on this one, and this is something I really want to get out to the world, is that when you stimulate autophagy, what you're doing is you're turning on the intelligence inside the cell, and that intelligence is looking around and it's going, hey, there's a virus, there's a bacteria, get them out. So let's push these infections out of the cell. That mitochondria, it's not working well. We need to repair it. That endoplasmic reticulum inside here, it's lagging. We need to fix it. So it literally goes in and fixes everything inside the cell just at 17 hours.
The term autophagy comes from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagi, meaning eating. Essentially, autophagy is a self-eating process when the body consumes its own waste and transforms it into usable components. The waste that is being consumed by the body is unusable clutter. This clutter and damaged proteins tends to trigger inflammation and lead to disease. So, according to Pelz, for our bodies to initiate the process of autophagy and utilize cellular waste as energy, we need to be in a fasted state. So how does Pelz suggest we can enter this fasted state?
What is a fasted state? And it's really when that blood sugar comes down enough that it triggers the body to switch. 8 hours, you start to make the switch. By about 12 hours, your body's now starting to make a good dose of ketones.
Ketones are acids that your body produces when it breaks down fat for energy. Studies have shown that while under ketosis, the feeling of hunger is suppressed, which is very helpful in assisting you to continue on with your fast.
So that's the first thing to know. 13 hours, we start to see that growth hormone goes up, which is what slows down the aging process, helps us burn fat. We also see in men, we see testosterone start to go up, 1,300% increase in testosterone with just a 15-hour time period. We see inflammation, CRP goes down. Okay, now metabolically, things are changing that are, if you can just do that repetitively, which I haven't had a person, I haven't been able to get to 13 hours consistently within a matter of weeks. We can get them there. And so now you're there, you're experiencing this. Okay, what else do you want to experience? 17 hours, we stimulate autophagy. The cells start to repair themselves, and old aging cells you get rid of. 24 hours, your whole gut resets, and you get intestinal stem cells that come in and repair the whole inner lining of the gut. 36 hours, your body goes and finds that stubborn fat specifically around the belly, and it starts to burn that for energy. 48 hours with no food coming in, now all of a sudden you're getting new dopamine receptor sites. Okay, why are you getting that? Because your brain has got to get motivated to go find food. So you reboot the whole dopamine system, and then 72 hours, the whole immune system reboots itself and recycles itself. That's without a drug. That's without a supplement.
It's crazy.
That's why I'm like, we have to get this out to the world. This is our door out of chronic disease. We just got to train people how to get over there. And that's that, to your point, getting over there is the hardest part, but once you learn how to do it, it's insane. It's insane the miracles that your body will perform.
Every fast has to be exited properly so as not to negate its positive effects on the body and mind. For the best results, a good rule of thumb is to extend the fasting period by twice as long and conclude it gracefully, gradually reintroducing food into your system. This approach will prepare the body, help reintroduce essential nutrients, and also prevent the weight gain that often accompanies caloric restriction. Dr. Mindy Pelz highlights the best foods to help end your fast, no matter the length.
When you go to break your fast, I want you to break it with fat.
And this goes whether you fast for 13 hours or you fast for 3 days. If we want to keep the benefits of autophagy going, when you break your fast with fat, you typically don't elevate your blood sugar. And so you will stay in autophagy longer, even though the hunger hormone may get turned off.
Avocados offer healthy fats and nutrients, making them a great choice after fasting. Nuts are nutrient-dense and provide protein and healthy fats, making them ideal for a quick post-fast snack. Be mindful of sodium levels in prepackaged varieties. Choose easy-to-digest soups like lentils or vegetable noodles to break a fast. Avoid canned soups with high sodium content to prevent dehydration. Eggs provide essential nutrients and are easy to digest, making them suitable after fasting. If concerned about cholesterol, consider using egg whites for a healthier alternative. Unsweetened yogurt and smoothies made from fresh fruits are excellent for breaking a fast. Go for smoothies without added sweeteners or fillers for a nutritious choice. Bone broth is rich in collagen, protein, and gelatin, making it supportive for digestion. However, it contains calories and is not suitable for vegetarians or vegans. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants and provides a strong caffeine kick. Green tea is rich in health-promoting polyphenols like EGCG and provides a mild caffeine boost. It's suitable for breaking a fast as long as it's consumed plain, but adding honey, milk, or sugar will break the fast.
The other thing that it does is it'll say, hey, you know what? This cell's going rogue. This cell's becoming a cancer cell. This is a senescent zombie cell that's going to start to age you quickly. They're a weak member of the team. And so in this fasted state where no glucose is coming in, no nutrients are coming in, you're a liability and we need to get rid of you. And so it gets rid of those cells. So it's like taking the trillions of cells in your body and cleaning them up and getting rid of the ones that are no longer serving you.
Some early studies suggest that fasting may decrease the likelihood of developing certain cancers. This idea is based on the understanding that all of us have cancer cells present in our bodies at any given time. If a blood biopsy were taken, it would likely detect some types of cancer. However, the immune system typically identifies these cells and eliminates them. When the immune system is compromised due to chronic exposure to highly inflammatory foods, it has to work overtime to manage the inflammation. When overwhelmed by inflammation, the immune system might not be able to effectively address all cancer cells. This is where autophagy plays a role. It helps clear out cellular waste, allowing the immune system to function properly and carry out its necessary anti-cancer activities.
One of the greatest studies ever done on women was they took a group of women after they had had traditional breast cancer treatment, and they had them just fast 13 hours every single day. And they noticed that there was a 64% less reoccurrence of breast cancer in the group that all they did is fast was 13 hours a day. They didn't even change their food, they just fasted. It's so, once you learn how to fast, you start to see your body in this whole new way. It can absolutely heal itself. So for me, fasting became this incredible tool that everybody could do. And we just had to learn how to do it.